after reconnecting, I'm sorry, the backhoe, we're going to go ahead and drive around a little bit and see what kind of results we get from that. See what kind of a noise we get, if we get anything. Maybe we'll be okay, don't know. Let's see what we get now. No issues, no noise, no hum, no problems whatsoever. So it's quite disturbing that I could be causing damage to my 3560 just from disconnecting and or reconnecting the backhoe. Connections are proper, everything is good. If there was no return coming from the supply back to the return, there would probably be some issues that would show up. So the connection is good. If the connection wasn't good, it would be leaking or some other issue, but without fluid returning, there would probably be an issue with that relief valve sticking and causing noise, but I don't, which could be that noise. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm still not confident that the issue is resolved, because if I've duplicated it twice in the last 6 months, it's probably something that I'll duplicate again. And then what is the fix? Is the fix just disconnecting and reconnecting until it works, or is there something going on between the removal of that backhoe that is causing this high pressure valve or high limit valve or whatever it is, hydraulic valve, to stick and maybe not reseat properly? I'm happy to know that it's not like a permanent issue, that it is something that can be duplicated, but at the same time, geez, you know, I don't know that it's not going to happen when I'm just using the tractor. Or is it only going to happen when it senses a pressure drop or differential from the time that I'm using the backhoe to the time that I'm not? So that's a pretty scary little proposition here. I'm going to go ahead and I don't need the backhoe for anything now, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back, set it back down. Okay, so we've got her all disconnected now. We're going to go ahead and see what we can do. See if we start it up, we got any noise. Here we go. No issues. No issues. No noise. Good to go. 3 disconnects, three connects, and everything is good. So I am pretty happy. So let's go inside and let our Kubota rep know that the issue is something that we can repeat. I am getting that whine. Listen to this. It is hydraulic. I don't know what it's from. I just know it's new. No issues. No issues. No noise. I'm good to go.